A Kikoff payment usually fails for a simple reason. The app can't successfully pull money from your linked payment method, even when your account looks fine on the surface. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why your Kikoff payment is not working, how to fix it step by step, and what to check so it doesn't fail again. First thing to check is your payment method inside the Kikoff app. If your bank account or debit card is outdated, expired, or recently replaced, the payment will fail automatically. Remove it and re-add the correct one instead of just retrying the payment. Next, look at your available balance. Banks often show a total balance that includes pending transactions. Kikoff needs available funds, not pending or estimated amounts. If your available balance is lower than expected, the payment will decline. Another common issue is bank side blocking. Some banks automatically flag small, recurring credit-building payments as unusual activity. If everything looks correct in the app but payments still fail, contact your bank and ask if they are blocking transactions from Kikoff or similar services. Also, check for multiple failed attempts. If Kikoff has already tried charging your account several times, the system may pause further attempts temporarily. In that case, fixing the payment method and making a manual payment is usually the fastest way to restart activity. If you recently changed banks or got a new debit card, this is the most common cause. Even if your account number is the same, old payment tokens can break in the system and need to be refreshed. Another thing to check is app sync issues. Sometimes the Kikoff app doesn't update payment status immediately. Logging out and logging back in, or reinstalling the app, can force a refresh and clear false error states. If nothing works, remove your payment method completely, wait a few minutes, then re-add it as a fresh setup. After that, try initiating a manual payment instead of waiting for the automatic cycle. To summarize, Kikoff payment failures usually come from outdated payment methods, insufficient available balance, or bank-level transaction blocks. Most issues are fixed by relinking your payment method and confirming your bank isn't blocking the charge. Next step, open your Kikoff app right now and recheck your payment method before your next billing attempt. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple fixes on credit builder apps and payment issues.